To begin loading up your Newton car, first take the string and lay it halfway between the back posts of the car. Then take the desired number of rubber bands, put them around the posts, and then the tricky part is put the string back between the posts so that it loops around the rubber band. All right, that way you can pull the rubber band. You want it up about 1 centimeter off the height of the deck of the car. You stretch it so that looking straight down, the rubber band lines up more or less with that black line that's on your cart. And then you roll the string around and around and around that front post. Remember, the larger post is the front of the car. The two smaller posts are the back of the cart. One tip is kind of pinch the string in place, and that way it wraps around the post and it's easy to unattach at the end. So you don't want to tie it to that front post. Take the shuttle, put it in between the two back posts so it's kind of sticking out the back end, and now you're ready to launch. So place your cart so that the end of the cart is at the end of the track or at the 0 mark. Then use your safety lighter to light the string because we're trying to launch the cart without actually touching it. Then action reaction, right? The shuttle goes one way, the cart goes the other way. And that's the thing that we're looking for. Here it is from another angle coming towards you. The string might be on fire after you catch it on fire. Just let it burn out. It's totally fine. Remember, we're lining up the end of the cart right here with the end of the track, right? So that's, the back of the cart where we're measuring from is at 0. Once your cart launches, again with the fire right here, action reaction, the cart zooms forward, and then you can measure where the back of the cart is. This one looks like it's at 25.7 or 8 centimeters. Once you're done with that, then you can begin resetting the cart. So just unwrap the string that's around that front piece. Because you didn't tie it on, it comes off really easily. Any other little loose pieces you can kind of put on the side, just throw those out when you're all done at the end of the period. And then you're ready to reset your Newton cart for the next experiment. Please don't burn the rubber band, right? Because you're going to reuse those all the time. Right, we're just burning the piece of string. Right, that's a perfect way to launch your Newton cart without actually touching it. If you use scissors, that might catch the string one way or the other. So using fire is the desired way to do this. Make sure you have the right number of weights in the back of the cart in the shuttle. Please don't touch the little footies. The Newton cart track should be zeroed out so that it's perfectly level. The wooden blocks, do not try to catch them. Let them fall onto the floor so that no one gets a splinter or anything like that. If you break your rubber band, bring the broken rubber band up to Mr. Jackson and he will be happy to trade it for a new rubber band. If you throw it in the trash can, you're going to have to go get it. At the end of the period, make sure everything is back where it belongs. The Newton cart is not on its wheels, it's on its side. You've got the desired number of rubber bands in that little cup. And all the other pieces are in place so that you're not losing points for that.